Our planet is a world of extremes, from blistering heat to bone-chilling cold, from crushing pressures to thin, unbreathable air. For most of us, these environments are utterly hostile. Yet life not only exists here, it thrives. How? Welcome to the incredible science of survival. Today we journey to the ends of the earth to discover the extraordinary adaptations that allow animals to conquer the planet's most extreme conditions, mastering the freeze, the Arctic and Antarctic. First, we face the deep freeze. Here, temperatures can plummet to -50 degrees Celsius. To survive, animals need a masterclass in insulation. Take the polar bear. Its secret isn't just white fur. It's black skin that absorbs sunlight, and a thick layer of blubber, up to 4 inches thick, acting as a personal winter coat. But some go even further. The Arctic fox has a compact body to reduce heat loss, and fur on the soles of its feet. When it sleeps, it wraps its tail around itself like a blanket, conserving every ounce of warmth. And perhaps the most bizarre strategy, the wood frog. It allows itself to literally freeze solid during winter. Its heart stops, its breathing ceases. Special proteins in its blood act as antifreeze, protecting its cells from ice damage. When spring arrives, it simply defrosts and hops away, enduring the inferno, the deserts. From one extreme to another, the searing, water-scarce desert. Here the challenge isn't staying warm, but staying cool and hydrated. Meet the fennec fox. Those enormous ears aren't just for hearing, they're radiators. A dense network of blood vessels releases excess body heat, cooling the fox's blood before it circulates back to the core. The kangaroo rat has virtually no need to drink water. It gets all the moisture it needs from metabolizing the seeds it eats. Its kidneys are so ultra-efficient that they produce urine 4 times, more concentrated than a human's, conserving every possible drop. And of course, the ship of the desert, the camel. Its hump is not a water tank, it's a fat reserve, which can be metabolized for energy and water. It can lose 25% of its body weight to dehydration without suffering, and its nostrils can close completely to keep out blowing sand, conquering the deep and the high. Beyond land, extremes exist in the ocean depths and the high mountains, where pressure and lack of oxygen are the ultimate challenges. In the abyssal zone, sunlight vanishes and pressure is crushing. Life here creates its own light through bioluminescence to hunt and attract mates. But the true marvel are the tube worms thriving near hydrothermal vents, surviving not on sunlight, but on toxic chemicals, converted into energy by symbiotic bacteria, a process called chemosynthesis. High in the Himalayas, the bar-headed goose migrates over Mount Everest. The air here has only 25% of the oxygen found at sea level. To adapt, it has larger lungs and more efficient hemoglobin in its blood to absorb what little oxygen exists, a feat that makes it one of the highest flying birds on Earth. From freeze avoidance to sun-defying strategies, from the abyss to the peaks, the animal kingdom is a testament to the power of evolution. These adaptations are not mere tricks. They are millions of years of fine-tuning, allowing life to persist in every corner of our planet. These incredible survivors remind us of the fragility and resilience of nature. As our climate changes, understanding these adaptations becomes more crucial than ever. Their future depends on our actions today. Thank you for watching. Remember to explore, understand, and protect the wonderful world we share.